tiles, wall tile and floor tile, right? Tile is very important material in a building construction, right? You are supposed to use a high quality tile, and especially go for a properly verified tile for bathroom and highly water resistant tiles, right? You have to provide a group like this. A group is spacing, right? Where later you will add a grouping chemical, which will help to increase the lifespan of the tile during the contraction and expansion. The wall tiles should be glossy and the floor tile should be matte finishing, right? So it won't get slippery due to the water, and this kinds of spacing is much required to avoid the expansion and contraction effect on tiles. Yeah, it's a gypsum ceiling or it's a cement board ceiling on bathroom. So you have to check out all this finishing while tiling on bathrooms. The procedure of tiling the bathroom started from, first we had done a waterproofing work here up to 4 feet height from the bottom all over the bathroom. Then we have put a coverage that covered the pipes of plumbing. Later we use tile, right, like this.